Something called the Ethereum Flippening could happen a lot sooner than people were originally expecting, and that's basically when Ethereum's market cap surpasses that of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been the top dog, the leader in the crypto space ever since it started. It was the first cryptocurrency, but now it's looking like Ethereum could take that #1 position away from them, and it could happen a lot sooner than people are thinking. So I'm going to break down everything you need to know, everything about Ethereum, why I think it could definitely 5x this year. It could replace Bitcoin as being the #1 spot in terms of market cap for cryptocurrencies and everything else going on. So if you enjoy this sort of content on cryptocurrency, on the stock market, on tech news, well, then please be sure to like the video down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notifications, and comment down below your thoughts on Ethereum. But anyways, a lot of experts are saying Ethereum flippening could happen a lot sooner than people are expecting, and I think there is a very, very high probability that this can happen. So essentially, right now, if you're looking at in terms of market cap, Bitcoin's market cap is sitting right above $1 trillion, $1.066 trillion. Ethereum, on the other hand, is #2, but they're still fairly far behind. They're at 337 billion. So in order for them to catch up, they need to at least 3x from where they are, but probably 4 or 5x, depending on where they go in the coming months. But one thing to keep in mind is that Bitcoin was originally designed not for doing transactions, but as being sort of a digital gold, a digital asset, like a store of value. Ethereum, on the other hand, Ethereum is not just a store of value, is not just a cryptocurrency. It's a network that supports smart contracts, which are programs running on the blockchain that can execute automatically when certain conditions are met. We saw Mark Cuban recently make one of those with Peter Malik. And also, another thing that was created on the back of Ethereum is NFTs. So there's a lot more flexibility, a lot more use cases for Ethereum versus Bitcoin. When you're looking at terms of how much money has been settled on Ethereum versus Bitcoin, right now when you're looking at this, Ethereum, this is on Mark Cuban's Twitter page, Ethereum settles $30.5 billion worth of value per day, which is far more than Bitcoin and every other blockchain out there. To put this into context, it explains how PayPal settles $2.5 billion daily. So essentially right now, Ethereum is settling about 12 to 14 times more money every single day versus PayPal. PayPal's market cap is right around $303 billion. It's fairly close to that of Ethereum's, but they are settling 1/13th of the money every single day that Ethereum is settling. So really, if you're just looking at that, how much money is being settled every single day in terms of dollars, Ethereum is doing like 12 to 14 times more every single day than PayPal. So that alone shows you that Ethereum has a lot more potential right now than where it's currently at. Analysts are so bullish on PayPal and the potential it has, but Ethereum's doing way more than PayPal. And if you're just comparing those two right there, that is massive, massive potential. Why I think it could easily reach that $15,000 per coin range. But the other thing is a lot of people aren't talking about all of these DeFi projects, decentralized finance. First of all, we have smart contracts. Ethereum also has NFTs, and there are just so many use cases for Ethereum versus other cryptocurrencies out there. In addition to all of this, just recently, institutions are starting to pour billions of dollars into Ethereum as well. So Canada recently approved 3 Ethereum ETFs in one day, which is big. That allows investment banks, large institutions to start investing directly into Ethereum. Previously, they had to invest, if they want to get exposure to crypto, they had to invest in GBTC, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, or they had to invest in Coinbase, which recently had its IPO. So now they can invest directly into an Ethereum ETF. In addition to this, European Investment Bank just put $121 million. They issued $121 million in Ethereum-based digital bonds. So we're seeing Ethereum getting a lot more attention, a lot more exposure than it previously had. Previously, Bitcoin was the only thing that institutions would touch. Now we're seeing large institutions put money directly into Ethereum, and this is a great sign for things to come for Ethereum, and especially since Ethereum has way more use cases than Bitcoin. I think Ethereum will take over in terms of market cap versus Bitcoin. I think we will see the so-called Ethereum flippening happen, and I think we'll see it happen very, very soon.